Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I had some beautiful colors mixed up, and while they were mixed I wanted to go ahead and finish up the paints that I had. So I've got two 11 by 14 canvases. Everything is mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol. I've got Artist Loft White Flow Acrylic. All my paints are mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol, latex based. It has to be water based. So I'm putting down a white base coat, and I'm going to dip my canvas. Okay, and then I'm going to also put a light coat of white on the canvas I'm dipping onto the other canvas. So not as much, but I am going to put a light coat. This is a Wilton icing and fondant spreader. You can find it on my Amazon recommendations link below the video. This does not have to be perfect because it's going to be dipped and smashed, and some paint is going to squeeze out, so that's not important. So I have some beautiful colors left that I had mixed. I've got DecoArt Vintage Brass. I have some copper that I already had mixed up. I have a little bit of the Violet, Artist Loft Violet, which I'm going to put a little bit more in here. The other color I have is Deep Violet by Liquitex Basics, which is more of a reddish purple. It's a redder purple than the violet is in Artist Loft. All right. So I'm going to smash the canvas. You can run a hard surface, even if you want to. You don't have to though. And just smash around the frame, and then you're going to pull away and lift it. I'm going to go this way. That's pretty. So it almost looks like a bird in flight. But that's really pretty the way the lines went. I'm loving it. So I'm going to pretty much leave it as is. The white is a bit thin through here, but I don't want to mess up anything going on, so I'm just going to leave it. Beautiful. See, I've got some leftovers in my Tupperware container from the previous pour. So what I can do is I can just pour all my paints and maybe some little of white if I can get it to come out. I don't think I have any left in there. We'll do white from my bottle. And now I just have to find something to pour this on. And then where it's gone over the edge in a few places, just barely, I can scrape that off once it's dried. So I now have a pour inside of this frame. So I'm going to lay it flat so it dries nice and flat. But I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out the links below the video. Click on the bell in the bottom right to get notifications for more videos. And below the video where it says show more on your computer or the down arrow on your mobile device, that will take you to all my links, my PayPal, my Patreon, my website, my Facebook group. I have a new online tutorial platform where I'm teaching you how to paint regular acrylic paintings. So come check that out. Down under and where it says create, and it says Thinkific. That is the platform where my tutorials are. So have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.